Huh?
They're wild. I'm afraid they'll crack you. That one banged into the door. He could see the light and blam! Right into the door. That looked like a mop did.
Oh.
Shut that off.
Why?
You having fun?
Oh, I can't put that on the internet now. You dumbass.
It's all about the music.
Well, maybe I should since you said that. I've been preaching to her. It's
There's
not
the
about
legs to that thing that broke.
It's not about the looks. It's what?
There's the legs that broke.
And I'm no.
Off of that little music box.
We're
We
on
sold for $1.50.
Okay, I'm not talking about stuff like that.
I know what you're talking about.
Why were you? Why were you drooling yesterday?
Because it was hot.
It's not. It's. What did you just say a while ago?
It's all about the music.
I'm not gonna video you doing that. That's ridiculous. You're ridiculous.
Come here.
Follow you? Oh boy, this could be interesting. What are we doing? Oh, yes. Now she's gonna ride it for a while. I'm putting this on Casey Mania.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Get out of here.
Okay, I guess that's all, folks.